Hi everyone, Eliana here. Thank you for purchasing my Canvas self-grade assessment through my TPT online store. Today, I will show you in this video a brief preview of the assessment that includes the number of questions, type of questions that you may find, and the total of points. I will also show you step by step of how to use the free online resource with the assessment. And that free online resource could be a simulation, web page, or an educational video. I will also explain to you fill in the blank questions that require Canvas exact match option set up on a specific answers, same as case sensitive. So teachers, once you import the assessment into a Canvas account, check the answers in those fill in the blank questions. Make sure you have the correct character that you want students to answer. You must use the exact match setup. For example, an uppercase letter for an element, symbol, or specific number of digits in the answer based on the significant figures or decimal places. And I will show you an example in this assessment. So this one is the EA electrons in atom number 9. This is the main topic. And it continues the EA 8. So it will cover electrons in the 4th, 5th, and 6th energy levels. We need the Javalab simulation and also the interactive periodic table called Ptable. Now we have a total of 14 questions and the total points will be 89. So let's go to instructions. It says to open Javalab simulation. I have it right here on my right side. And let's go to question number 1. How many orbitals are in the first energy level? And you can see in this simulation that we have only one orbital in the first energy level. So that one is already answered. Let's go to the next one. How many orbitals are in the second energy level? So we don't have the second energy level. So that means that if you read the title, it says that we're going to cover 4th, 5th, and 6th, and it's a continuous topic from the EA8 assessment. So that means that you need to see this atom model right here. So we're going to start with the number 71. So that means that use this arrow all the way to 71 or use the red dot all the way to 71. And this is lutetium. We have 71 electrons in this atom. So that means that you have plenty information of the second energy level. We have 2 orbitals. Third energy level, we have 3 orbitals. And in the 4th energy level, we have those 4 orbitals. Let's go straight to number 4. So if you see, we have already covered questions that are fill in the blank questions. Now let's go straight to complete the noble gas configuration for lutetium. The reason for me to do noble gas configuration is because lutetium has 71 electrons and the electron configuration, the one that is expanded, it's extremely long. So I decided to use noble gas configuration. That is what common way we shorten the electron configuration. So we're going to use the double gas xenon, that the number is 54, and this is the fill in the blank question that you must use the exact match, so students will type the uppercase letter for those symbols of the element. In this case, it's for xenon. And we have also the square bracket. So we're going to put the rest of the electrons on the top as the exponent. And if you want to check if it is correct, use the Ptable. We'll use the this part right here that says electrons, and you will select lutetium, okay, lutetium, right here, and you will see that it has the expanded electron configuration is very long, and we have the noble gas electron configuration right here. The noble gas is short. Now let's go all the way to the last element, which will be the mercury. So we will cover from lutetium all the way to mercury. Let's go ahead and look at the question number 14, which is a multiple drop down. It's going to ask you the block that corresponds barium and also cesium, and it corresponds to the S block. So now you know what to answer for the rest of the alternatives right here. So that will be all. Thank you for everything, teachers and self-empowered learners. Thank you for looking at my video. And if you want to see more videos of my next digital resources, hit the subscribe button. You may also recommend any educational topic that you would like to get built in Canvas. Please leave a note down below and I'll add it to my list of assessment and videos to create. All right. Well, thank you for your view and I hope this video was helpful. Hope to see you next time. Bye.